Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fill invite bar on Monopoly Go. So here on your Monopoly Go app, you just need to tap on the friends icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen to open up your friends list. So basically here, if you want to invite, just tap on the green button, which is invite, and here invite friends and you can get rewards when they join. So we have here the invite bar. So you can get 20 dice rolls, 60 dice rolls, 100 dice rolls, and also the gift here where you can get 150 dice rolls and also the Mr. Monopoly token. Now how you can fill this invite bar to basically get these rewards. So we have here two options, invite via link or invite via Facebook app. So every time you invite and someone stop the link and they join this Monopoly Go, then it will fill in the invite bar so you get some rewards. So basically, if we tap on this invite button here, an option shows up here where you can find all your social media accounts. So you just need to share your invite link to any of your social media accounts. So for example, I want to send it on my WhatsApp. And here I want to choose this account. So basically, so you just need to send a link, and if someone tap on that link, they will automatically go to Monopoly Go. So that's all. That's how you basically fill invite bar on Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.